Alright, here's the issue I'm having. This is the front side of the square tubing I'm printing on the Anycubic, and it looks good. The back side is where the issue is. So here's the back side. If you could see the three vertical seams towards the seams in the middle there, I don't know why it's printing that like that. Okay, so in the photo I showed that there are some issues I'm having with this square tube print. So the front side of it prints well, well enough for what I'm using it for. And the back side, the side that prints away from me when it's on the printer, has these, I'm gonna call them seams. I'm imagining they're seams, I'm just not sure, but they're the three vertical lines that I showed in the print, and there's some rough texture around them as well. I don't know why that is. So I'm using the Anycubic Kobra Go, and I used the Ender 3 start code, which I doubt has anything to do with how it's printing at this point, but it was suggested that I use that, so I did. And so I just set it up as one of those custom FFF printers, non-network, using generic PLA, and then I went in and I manipulated these settings here, but I didn't really do a whole lot to it. Like, I'm almost using the same settings that I use when I use my Prusa, as far as like wall thickness and things like that. But so layer height is 1.5 here. Wall thickness is all the same. I did check this because in the video it was saying that, you know, that they check it and they have good results with it. I know there's a setting where you can print from the outside in versus inside out, which is the default. I'm not sure if that's the setting that changes that. I can't remember, but that is in here somewhere, and I did check to print from the outside in. Um, the Z seam, I wanted it in the sharpest corner, and since there's 90 degrees on um, this square tubing, I imagined it would be along the sharpest corner. Now on the in the Prusa slicer, you can draw and make the seam on the inside corner, but I didn't see that option in here, so I have it set to sharpest corner. I know there's a user specified, maybe I'll try that, but I have it for the sharpest corner, which seems to me that it would be on a corner and not in the middle of the back. So that's the thing that has me wondering if it is or is not in fact the seam. Then I went down here and checked smart hiding. Um, I don't know if that's what messed it up, and maybe I should have just left it on none since I have sharpest corner already selected, but I had smart hiding on. Um, yeah, to an inside corner. That's why I checked it. I saw that it said something about the inside corner. The rest of the stuff is the same. Uh, the same settings that I'm running on the Prusa, and the Prusa prints them fine, front and back, no problem. So all this stuff pretty much mimics that. The only issue I'm having, or what created the issue, is the Z seam selections. Unless there's something else that I'm missing, but for some reason it's printing like that, and I can't figure out why and how to make the back look like the front. And I appreciate you watching. Thank you.